There's a type of kids activity book on Amazon that looks almost too simple to work. You have big circles, basic shapes, nothing complicated. But when you look at the numbers, it's one of the most consistent niches on KDP. And that's what makes it interesting. So today I want to show you how you can turn a simple kids activity book niche into books that sell on Amazon in just minutes. Because what looks simple on the surface is actually one of the most repeatable, evergreen types of books that you can create. And now with the right tools, you can go from idea to a finished book much faster than most people expect. So in this video, I'm going to show you what this niche looks like on Amazon, why it continues to perform year-round, and how you can start creating your own in a simple, effortless way. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, this simple kids activity niche is actually the dot marker activity book. Now, you guys probably already know of this niche. It's been around for quite a long time, but it's still one of the most high performing niches on KDP. Now, these are actually very simple books. I mean, you can look at the covers here and you can see it's just basically a bunch of these circles filled into these images. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy. This is created mainly for kids. It is actually a pretty fun book to create. Now, when we actually look at the niche, we can see total results 1,331. That is for that generic search term of dot marker activity book. So as you can see, not too competitive, but the average bestsellers rank really low at 113,000. And that is for these books on the first page. That is their average bestsellers rank, with the low being 274 and the high being 821,000. Now, out of the 48 books, as we can see right here, 48 books listed on the first page, 32 of those books are KDP books, as you can see by here. And niche score is a 79, which is extremely high. We see Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 7, and opportunity is a 9. Now, when we actually look at the books, the book in the number one ranking, so the top 3 are sponsored posts. So the number one ranking is actually this book right here, this dot markers activity book with the ABC 123. This one's ranked at 1,374. You can see those royalties estimated anywhere from $3,200 to $4,800 per month, as well as the number 2 book right here, ranked at 1,581. This book has a little bit of a higher price point at $7.99 compared to this one, $6.99. And so we can see royalties show that this book is making anywhere from $4,900 to almost $7,500 per month in estimated royalties. Even these 2 books right here, which are sponsored books, are still selling decently, a couple $100s per month for this one, a couple $100s per month for this one. Now, when we go to the next row, you have some books from other publishers right here, still doing quite well. And then here's one right here. This has a 24,000 BSR, has no royalties, has a very, very low price point, which is a tactic that you can use to kind of get a really nice bestsellers rank and all those reviews. And then you can slowly up the price on your books. Now we have one right here. This one ranked at 21,000. This one about $100 to $150 per month. This one right here, 32,000 BSR, about $200 to $400 per month. And then when we go to the next row, some more books that are selling very well. This one's super cute dot marker activity book, 18,000 BSR, about $400 to $600 per month. This one, a vehicles dot markers activity book, about $1,900 to almost $3,000 per month. And some more books here. Look at this one, a Bible coloring dot markers activity book, anywhere from $700 to almost $1,200 per month in estimated royalties. Here's another vehicles dot markers activity book ranked at 33,000. Royalties at anywhere from $800 to over $1,300 per month. So a lot of books performing very well. There's different sub niches that you can see already. Here's a unicorn one doing quite well, $800 to $1,300 per month. The vehicles niche right here, animals, a Bible niche, a number and letters niche. So a lot of different ways to double down, triple down within this niche. Now, when we look at this example, this is the dot markers activity book for kids ages 2 to 5. Now, this is priced at $7.99 and 50 pictures in this book, so equating to 102 pages overall. And this is your standard 8.5 by 11 inch size. But as you can see with the cover, it's just a bunch of dots or circles that fills in an image. And this is really all it is. So what's used here is what's called a dot marker, which the child in this case will go ahead and color this in with that dot marker. And all it really is just an image here, and with these circles inside, you just kind of fill it in. Now, traditionally, I used to create this with Canva, and I just put these circles in here. But now there's a much faster way to actually get this done. It's kind of like semi-automated. And I'll show you that tool in just a moment. But as you can see, very simple type of activity book, nothing too crazy here. This is definitely something that you can create manually, but you can also save some time by using this tool that I'm about to show you. And as you can see, this is what it should look like once it's colored in, different colored markers right there, and can even color in the white space if they wanted to, but it's just a very simple type of activity book. Now here's another example. This one is for big letters, numbers, and shapes. And as you can see here, definitely can do these letters. Also includes some images here. So this book is created a little bit differently, has numbers, letters, and a little bit more engaging. And then here are some shapes right here. So just another different way to create this book. This is another bestseller in this niche, but once again, when you look at it, it's just a bunch of circles in, let's say, these numbers and these letters, and then just these very simple images. Now, it's pretty clear. Dot marker activity books are one of those niches that just keeps working. Now, traditionally, to create something like this, it wasn't too difficult, but it was time consuming. But now the entire process has changed. Instead of manually building each page, you can use a tool that automatically places the circles for you, which means instead of spending hours creating one book, you can create something that's ready to publish in just minutes. And once you see how fast this is, this niche becomes a lot more practical to scale up. So let me show you exactly how this works. Now, this is the dot marker tool, and it's actually pretty simple to use this. Now, I have some images here that I went and downloaded, very simple type of images. As you can see here, here's an elephant, a frog, a duck, a snail. Here is what looks like a polar bear, and a giraffe. So now with this tool, you can choose between your book sizes here. As you can see, there's a bunch of sizes to choose from. But for this book, traditionally, it's about 8.5 by 11 inches. You can go ahead and mess around with the margins to make it perfect for KDP. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna keep it how it is. Now with the marker mode, there are two options here. You can have these circles or these dots filled in automatically, or you can do a blank one where you can go ahead and fill in these dots by yourself. Now, if you choose the fill method, it's gonna give you two. It's gonna give you two choices here, Beauty Pack and the aggressive fill. Now, the Beauty Pack, as you can read, keeps the layout smoother and more visually balanced, and the aggressive fill, which is what I like, packs more dots into leftover gaps with a more assertive approach. And then with the creation method, you can either do image or you can do text. Now, if you do text, you can see exactly it started doing it on its own already. And with text, you can choose your font. So we changed the font around. It does that in real time. And then you can do the number of randoms, 1 to 36. You can change the stroke width here if you want this to be a little bit thinner. It's gonna go ahead and do that for you. And you can also do custom text as well as patterns. So a lot of customization here when it comes to text. Now, like I said, every single one of these can be moved around. And as you can see, very easy to go ahead and do this. I can go ahead and just put it where I want. Now, one thing I don't like about this tool is it kind of locks it into this grid where I want it to be free flowing, but it's very easy to just get rid of this. You can just go up here to delete, and then it'll highlight it in red. Whatever you want to delete, you can go ahead and delete. And then you can go back here to add. And there are different shapes. If you wanted a teardrop, a pentagon, as you can see, you can add those in there. Let me go ahead and delete those. We're gonna go with the circle, and I can just do it by myself. So let's go ahead and move this down here, and then I can go ahead and do these circles the way that I want to. Let's go ahead and move this over here and try to fit in like that. So like I said, semi-automated, it kind of puts in these circles, but you can go ahead and fill it in as you please. Now, one thing here is you can change the shape around. There are options here for a mix mode, where you can randomize it. You can choose the shape. Depending on the dot marker, usually it's around 18 to 20 millimeters is the standard, but you can go ahead and decrease the size to about 15 millimeters, and it'll make the circles a lot smaller. Now I'm gonna show you the image mode here. So I'm going to go click image. I'm going to upload some images. And so these are the images that I uploaded. As you can see, it tried to put in the circles in here, but obviously there's a lot of space that's left out. So if we take this elephant, for example, let me zoom in. If we go here to shape on the right hand side here, I can change the shape size around, and I can also do the spacing. So if I put the spacing all the way down, it's going to fit in more of these circles, as you can see right there. And we can even put the stroke width down. And now what we can do is we can go ahead and finish this off by, we can move these around and we can start placing our own circles in here. And that is the great thing about this tool, is that you can go ahead and move these around. It makes it very easy to go ahead and try to place these in the best possible position to kind of maximize the circles inside of your image. Now move this down, this down, and let's fit one in here and possibly fit one right here. And as you can see, very easy to do with this frog right here. You can move these around, or we can go ahead and delete some of these. Go ahead and add this circle, and we can just do our own circles. Not so hard. It's actually quite fun. Play around with this tool. Put more circles there. Space this out a little bit better. Because as you can see, it's very, very simple to play around with this tool. Nothing too crazy, but definitely saves a lot of time, because the tool itself can go ahead and start pre-filling your image with these dots, which you can go ahead and fine tune to your liking to make it perfect. Like I said, it doesn't take that much time. Just fill it in as much as you can right there. And then I can go ahead and fill in some more how I please. And as you can see, in just a matter of minutes, you have these pages already set and done. And the most iconic one here, this snail. This one, I like to go ahead and just delete these, because it's a lot easier if you just do this one by yourself, and then add it and just go ahead and put your circles all the way around the snail here. It's actually quite fun to do this, and I think this is the last one that I can fit in. And just move these around just like so. Maybe fit in one more right here. There you go. Very, very simple to do. Pretty much can do any type of image that you please. Letters, numbers, shapes, and these images. And then once you want to download these, it's very easy. Just hit this. You can download it as a PNG, and you can bring it onto Canva and put all your pages together, or you can go ahead and download this as a PDF. But I recommend downloading it as a PNG, so you can go ahead and fine tune this inside of Canva, so you can put the final edits on your pages within Canva. Now, just take note that I did have to get the other 2 upsells with this tool to actually fully unlock every feature that you're seeing right now. But if you do just go with the basic version, it's still going to give you the ability to do all of this. But when it comes to creating things in bulk, that's kind of where it will limit you. So hopefully now you can see why this niche works and why you want to start creating your own dot marker books. It's simple, it's repeatable, and it's something that continues to sell over time. The difference now is how easy it is to actually create these books. If you want to try this out for yourself, you can check out the dot marker tool. It's linked in the description down below. And if you want a full breakdown of how to approach Amazon KDP, from choosing niches to publishing your books, make sure to also grab my KDP Royalty Roadmap. It's completely free, and it'll help you understand the entire process step by step. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.